Topic is Dalton's atomic theory in the chemistry. So let's start. Dal- Dalton's atomic theory is mainly based on the law of conservation of mass. Means Dalton atomic theory is based on the law of conservation of mass, the law of definite proportions, and the law of multiple proportion, which were formulated by Lavoisier. I tell you the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. So let's start. First postulates is matter is composed of tiny indivisible particles called atoms. Matter is composed of tiny invisible particles called atoms. They cannot be created or destroyed or transferred into atoms of another element. Second is atoms of a given element are identical in all respects. Third postulate is atoms of different elements are different from each other. Atoms of different elements are different from each other. Fourth is atoms of different elements take part in the chemical reaction and combine in a simple integral ratio to form compounds. Fifth is when elements react, the atoms may combine in more than one simple whole number ratio. I repeat these 5 postulates. Listen careful. First is matter is composed in tiny particles, tiny invisible particles, indivisible particles. It's called as atoms, and these atoms cannot destroy, not transfer, or not created. Means second postulate is atom of a given element are identical in all respects. Third is atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements are different from each other. Means different elements atoms is the different from each other. Fourth is the atom postulates is the atom of different elements take part in the chemical reaction and combine in a simple integral ratio to form compounds. And last postulate is when elements react, the atoms may combine in more than one simple whole number ratio. Okay, our postulates is completed. Then we see the modification of Dalton's atomic theory. So let's start. There are three modifications. I tell you, Dalton's atomic theory has been contradicted with the advancement of science and hence modified on the basis of further research and discoveries as listed here under. So I tell you the modification of Dalton's atomic theory. Let's begin. First modification is with the discovery of subatomic particles. There are the electron, proton, and neutron. It was concluded that atoms can be further divided. Second is discovery of isotopes proved that atoms of the same element may possess different atomic weights. Discovery of isotopes proved that atoms of the same elements may possess different atomic weights. There are atoms of same elements may not be identical in all respects. Last modification is the in some cases atoms of different elements are found to have same mass number. Atoms of different elements are found to have same mass number. For example, calcium and argon are found to have same mass number. Calcium and argon, these atoms are different elements. These atoms of different elements, but mass number is same. This is the third modification. So today we see the Dalton's atomic theory and the postulates and modification. Thank you.